If you're wondering whether GreenGeeks or SiteGround offers better performance for WordPress websites, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison of these two popular hosting providers to help you make the right choice for your WordPress site. First off, let's talk about speed. Speed is critical for any website, and both GreenGeeks and SiteGround offer solid performance. GreenGeeks touts its use of SSD drives, which offer faster load times compared to traditional HDD storage. However, SiteGround doesn't fall behind here either. They use a mix of SSDs and their own custom caching solution, which many users report results in faster overall speeds. SiteGround also has a global network of data centers, which can make a big difference in loading times depending on where your audience is located. Now, let's move on to uptime. SiteGround has a reputation for stellar uptime, usually hovering around 99.99%. GreenGeeks is also very solid in this regard, boasting similar uptime stats. Both hosting providers offer reliable service, but SiteGround's infrastructure is generally considered more robust due to their advanced server architecture and proactive monitoring. Next thing, customer support. When you run into issues, the quality of support you get is crucial. GreenGeeks has 24/7 customer support, and their team is helpful and knowledgeable, but some users have mentioned slower response times during peak hours. SiteGround, on the other hand, is known for their exceptional customer service. They offer 24/7 live chat, phone support, and tickets, and their average response time is incredibly fast. SiteGround also has more specialized WordPress support, which is great for beginners and advanced users alike. The fourth thing, pricing. GreenGeeks offers competitive pricing, especially considering the resources you get, like unlimited storage and a free domain for the first year. But SiteGround's pricing is a bit higher, and while they offer some premium features like enhanced caching, the renewal rates can skyrocket after the initial term. If you're just starting out and need an affordable option, GreenGeeks might be a better fit. But if you're okay with paying a little extra for premium support and performance, SiteGround has more to offer. Next up is scalability. When your website grows, you want hosting that can scale with it. GreenGeeks offers scalable plans, including VPS and dedicated servers, but SiteGround excels here with its cloud hosting options, which are better equipped to handle heavy traffic spikes, making it a great choice for growing WordPress sites. Finally, let's look at WordPress-specific features. GreenGeeks offers a one-click WordPress installation and automated updates, but SiteGround goes a step further with their custom-built WordPress toolset, including advanced caching, staging environments, and free daily backups. These extra features can be a game changer if you're serious about your WordPress site. Both GreenGeeks and SiteGround are great hosting options, but after testing both, if you want the absolute best performance for WordPress, I recommend trying something even better. For a better alternative that's designed for fast, reliable performance, take advantage of the exclusive free trial available in the first link in the description below. By signing up through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Check it out for yourself and see the difference.